Welcome, here I've got LG G8X ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here at the center to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner, and it opens as the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features, and here we have add signature option, so by using this button we can turn this off and turn it on like that easily. And by tapping on the center we go to more advanced options, so we can add our own watermark here, for example hard reset. And as you can see, here we have the quick preview, so this is how the watermark looks like now. We can also change the font, so this is how to change this, as you can see. And to save it we have to just simply tap on this add button here. And for now we are again in the camera, so let me take a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture with the watermark here in the right corner at the bottom. And of course when we don't need this we go back to the settings in the left corner again, slide to the useful features, tap on this option, so for now this is turned off. When we take another picture the watermark should be not visible. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.